Hello all. The PPT guy is back with another awesome animated cover slide. Welcome back to a new tutorial on creating this advanced animation PowerPoint slide for your next presentation. The first step is inserting a block arc shape. Ensure it is a perfect circle. Hold the shift and drag it to get a perfect circle. Change the height and width of the shape to 8 centimeters. Adjust the inner radius and increase the circumference. Ensure one end of the arc or the broken circle is perfectly horizontal and next to a horizontal guideline. Click on Shape Format and click on No Line. Duplicate the shape and keep adding 3 centimeters to its length and width. Continue doing the same a few more times. Every time add 3 centimeters to the previous shape dimensions. Stop halfway, select all and click on Align Middle and Align Center. Temporarily group all of them and click on Align Center and Align Middle. All shapes will be placed at the center of the slide. Ungroup them. Reduce the inner radius of each arc shape. You can see the gaps opening up between the shapes. Now, continue duplicating and adding 3 centimeters to the next shape. Continue doing this till the entire slide is covered. Select all, click on Align Center and Align Middle. Group them and click on Align Middle and Align Center. Ungroup them. Now, if you see, each of them has a different radius for the inner circle. We'll make it the same for all circles. We need a guide to do that. Click on View and again click on the small notch under the show group. Ensure the spacing of 2 grids per centimeter. Zoom in close now. You can see the dots in the grid lines. Adjust the inner circle of each shape exactly between the 2 dots. Having equal dimension shapes will give a better appearance. Ensure all the shapes have equal arc curves. Rotate each shape to different angles. Different looks will start to appear. Next, we'll add an animation to all of them. Select all and click on Animation. Apply the spin animation. Select all shapes and change the animate effect to Start with Previous. Select alternative shapes and click on Effect Options. Change the rotation to counterclockwise and time to 20 seconds, and select Repeat till the end of the slide. Ensure the smooth start and smooth end is set to 0. Next, select the other shapes and click on Effect Options. Change the time to 20 seconds and select Repeat till the end of the slide. Now, the animation is set, we'll change the color of the background and the shapes. Switch off the grid lines next. We'll insert a few images of people. Select all the images and set the size to 3 centimeters. Then, click on Crop to Shape and select Circle. Divide the images to 3 on each side and align like I'm doing it. Next step is adding animation to all the images. Select all the images and add motion path animation in circular path. Now, you can orbit for motion on all images. However, these are very small. We'll adjust them. Click on the orbit of each image and drag the dotted circle across the slide. Do the same to all the images. They all will revolve in the path we have expanded to. Right-click on images above and click on Reverse Path Direction. Reverse the direction on all images on top. The images are revolving very fast. Let us slow them down. Go to Animation pane and select all the animations of images. Set it to start with the previous. Go to Effect Options and change the duration to 20 seconds and set the smooth start and smooth end to 0. Set the repeat option to end of the slide. Next, rotate some of the images at the top by 180 degrees. Rotating these animations will avoid the overlap of image elements while rotating in their paths. The animation of all the image elements is ready. Let us add some text at the center, send it backwards before the images. Make sure you don't go behind circles. The animated slide is ready, and here's how it looks. Awesome, right? Then, hit that like button and subscribe to the PPT Guy for more PowerPoint tutorials and design inspirations. Rate this design in the comments below.